How to make an alarm system in Roblox Studio. Create an alarm light. Design an alarm light as you want. When finished, group as a folder. Name it light. Select the light bulb part in the folder and name it light. Add point light to the light and design the point light as you want. And turn off, enable. Add sound to the light. Go to the toolbox and select the alarm sound from the audio. Copy asset ID and paste it into the audio content. Adjust the volume as you want. Move your lights where you want them. Create an alarm button. Design an alarm button as you want. When finished, group as a folder. Name it button. Select the button part in the folder and name it button. Add click detector to the button. Select both folders and group as a folder. Name it alarm. Add a script to the button. Writing the script. This script lets players turn an alarm system on and off by clicking a button. Setting up references. Defining how the lights look when on or off. Alarm active keeps track of whether the alarm is currently on or off. The script searches inside the lights folder to find the sound object. Updates all parts and lights in the folder based on the alarm state. When on, materials glow and lights turn on. When off, materials return to normal and lights turn off. When the player clicks the button, it flips the alarm state. Updates the button color and light appearance, starts or stops the alarm sound accordingly. Ensures the alarm starts off when the game begins. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.